Awning windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Baytown thanks to their ability to provide ventilation while keeping rain out. Their top-hinged design and tight seal make them both functional and energy efficient. However, even the highest quality awning windows won't perform as expected if they're not installed correctly. Understanding the most common installation mistakes can help you avoid costly issues and ensure your windows deliver long-term comfort and reliability. One of the most frequent mistakes is improper measurements. Awning windows must fit precisely within the opening to function properly. If the measurements are off, even by a small amount, it can lead to gaps around the frame. These gaps allow air and moisture to enter your home, reducing energy efficiency and potentially causing damage over time. Accurate measurements are essential to achieving a tight, secure fit. Another common issue is poor sealing and weather stripping. In Baytown's climate, where humidity and rain are common, proper sealing is critical. If the window isn't sealed correctly, water can seep in during storms, leading to mold, mildew, or structural damage. High-quality weather stripping and proper caulking ensure that your awning windows remain watertight and energy efficient. Incorrect window alignment is another mistake that can affect performance. Awning windows rely on smooth operation and a proper seal when closed. If the window is not installed level and square, it can cause the sash to bind or fail to close tightly. This not only makes the window difficult to use but also compromises its ability to keep out air and moisture. Skipping or improperly installing flashing is a mistake that can lead to serious problems. Flashing is designed to direct water away from the window and prevent it from entering the wall structure. Without proper flashing, water can accumulate around the window frame, leading to long-term damage that may not be immediately visible. Another issue to watch for is over-tightening or under-tightening fasteners. Fasteners that are too tight can warp the window frame, while loose fasteners may cause the window to shift over time. Both situations can affect the window's performance and durability. Proper installation requires the right balance to ensure the window remains secure without compromising its structure. Homeowners should also be aware of poor insulation around the window frame. Even if the window itself is energy efficient, gaps between the frame and the wall can allow air to pass through. This reduces the overall efficiency of the window and can lead to higher energy bills. Proper insulation helps maintain indoor temperatures and improves comfort. Another common mistake is ignoring ventilation placement. Awning windows are often chosen for their ability to improve airflow, but poor placement can limit their effectiveness. Installing them in areas where airflow is restricted or not aligned with natural breezes can reduce their ventilation benefits. Thoughtful placement ensures you get the most out of your windows. Using low-quality materials or inexperienced installers can also lead to long-term issues. Even a well-designed window won't perform properly if it's installed with subpar materials or by someone without the necessary expertise. Professional installation ensures that every detail, from sealing to alignment, is handled correctly. Failing to account for Baytown's weather conditions is another mistake. The local climate includes heat, humidity, and occasional heavy rain, all of which can impact window performance. Proper installation techniques and materials must be chosen with these conditions in mind to ensure durability and long-term reliability. Finally, neglecting a final inspection and testing can leave problems unnoticed. After installation, windows should be checked for smooth operation, proper sealing, and overall performance. Skipping this step can result in issues that could have been easily corrected during installation. In the end, avoiding these common installation mistakes is key to getting the most out of your awning windows. Proper installation ensures better energy efficiency, improved comfort, and long-lasting performance. For homeowners in Baytown, working with experienced professionals is the best way to ensure your windows are installed correctly and built to withstand local conditions. By taking the time to get the installation right, you can enjoy all the benefits awning windows have to offer, without the headaches that come from preventable mistakes.